Thank you guys for tuning in this week. Before we get started, please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you can keep up with us and the work that we're doing. We're getting so stinking close to being done with the bed and breakfast, and we already found people that they're maybe interested in even staying longer terms. So the little guy helped me finish up painting in here. It's still drying up, that's why you have the shiny spots. But as soon as this thing is dry, I'll go back and check to make sure there aren't any things that I need to patch. I am gonna go ahead and actually start putting down floor, I'm thinking. Because if I can put the floor down, I can put the sink in. And if I can put the sink in, it's gonna look a lot better. All right, so here's my mess. Time to clean all this stuff up. Clean the floor. I put a few things in here, and those are the things that I'm going to be using after I'm done with the flooring, and some during the flooring. The first thing I'm going to do is get my chalk line and set up a line on the floor that I can follow as a guide to put down the flooring correctly. And as I'm going, I've seen a few things drip here and there, so I'm going to have to scrape just a little bit the floor and a few things, but very, very little.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
It's done. Let me show you the floor. There we go. Coming in, tucked in under there well. All the way to the end. All the way. There's a tiny gap that I'm going to put of course, a transitional piece there. Going in, all around, all the way to the end.